Welcome to Coggeshall Farm Museum. My name's Shelley and I'm the director here at the farm, and we're an 18th century living history museum where we're depicting a tenant farmhouse in the 18th century. So here at the farm we have a bunch of different things that are part of the story that we tell to the community. We have an heirloom garden where we grow the plants that were here on the farm in the 18th century. We have things like the Rhode Island white-capped flint corn. We have medicinal plants that they would have used to heal different ailments that they had at the time. We have some animals at the farm that are all heritage breed animals that would have been here at the 18th century. We have our Gulf Coast native sheep. We have some hogs that are here at the farm. We have the milking Devon cows and the breed of chicken that were brought over here at the time period, which is called the Dominique chickens. We also have some interactive programs for people. We have a blacksmith shop. We have our wood shop where we demonstrate different skills that they had at the time. And then the reason the organization was started was for the historic farmhouse that was built somewhere around 1750 to 1790, which was the farmhouse that was here back at that time period. So here at the farm, we have a partnership with Gnarly Vines Farm in Tiverton, Rhode Island, and they help us with a lot of our rotational grazing that we have here at the farm. They own some of the animals and they let us use them here at the farm for interpretation and just to help with managing the different fields. So it's a great partnership. They help us out a lot to help keep the pasture land, the 48 acres of pasture land that we have, productive, and it just keeps improving. We have some great projects that we're working on with NRCS. We have some pasture improvement. We've seeded one of our larger pastures so far, and we have plans to do the other 2 pastures. We also would like to finish our project with fencing so that we can put more animals grazing and really to be able to rotate the animals to different fields so that they can help maintain the health of the fields and the grass that grow there. And we have some wildlife things that we're working on, making bat houses to put around the farm for habitat. And also they help us get some water troughs to move around to our different grazing locations. So if you are in Bristol, Rhode Island or in the surrounding areas, come out for a visit to Coggeshall Farm Museum. We have special events on the weekends. So just check out our website and come out for a visit to the farm.